How to fix uneven ground in the backyard. A bumpy, uneven backyard is not only as unpleasant to the eye, but it also can lead to injuries from falls and twisted ankles. If your backyard is not fairly level, you also won't be able to install certain types of outdoor additions such as a patio or a trampoline. Transform your backyard by making the ground even. An even backyard will be more attractive, safer and easier to mow. Things you will need: soil, shovel, rake. Shovel fills soil into any holes and low-lying spots. Spread and even out the soil in the low-lying areas with a rake. Tamp down the fill soil with the back of your shovel. Add more soil if necessary and even it out again with the rake. Dig up any smaller bumps in the yard using a shovel. Dig into the bump on 3 sides and extract dirt from underneath the sod. Then lay the sod back over the area that you dug. This will help to preserve the grass in these areas. If you aren't concerned with preserving the grass, simply dig up the bumps and toss them away. Tips: warnings. Mix equal portions sand and planting soil if you want to preserve the grass underneath low-lying spots that you fill. The sand provides a looser consistency, which makes it easier for blades of grass to re-emerge.